Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make your phone look smoother using animation scaling on VIVO V30. Firstly, go into settings and then scroll to the very bottom because we need to activate developer options firstly. So go into about phone, now go into software information and tap a few times on build number. I'm already a developer, so I can just go back, go into system, developer options, scroll down till you see something like animation window, or yeah, here, window animation scale. If you're wondering what it does, I'll just put to 10. Yeah, so just the speed of animations. Now if I'll put everything to 0.5, basically the information, all of the animations are going to be quicker, so the phone might just appear a bit quicker in overall. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.